Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern for you. This pattern you can knit on baby sweater, lady sweater, gents sweater or on any project. This pattern is very easy to knit. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 4 stitches and add 1 extra stitch. For tutorial, cast on 16 plus 1, 17 stitches, row 1, right side, skip edge stitch, knit all the stitches. Row 2, wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. Row 3, right side, skip edge stitch, knit 3, skip 1 purlwise like this, knit 3, skip 1 purlwise, knit 3, skip 1, in the end knit 3 stitches, knit edge stitch. Row 4, wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, purl edge stitch. Row 5, right side, skip edge stitch, knit all the stitches. Knit skip stitches also. Row 6, wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. Row 7, right side, skip edge stitch, knit 1, skip 1 stitch purlwise, knit 3, skip 1 stitch purlwise, skip 1 stitch purlwise, knit 3, skip 1, knit 3, skip 1, knit 2 stitches. Row 8 wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl 1, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, in the end purl 2 stitches. Row 9 right side, skip edge stitch, knit all the stitches. Row 10 wrong side, knit as row 2, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. This is 8 rows repeat pattern. Repeat these 8 rows again and again. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.